Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. I just got done doing this bun tutorial, so now I'm going to show you a couple items that I got at the store. I went to Walmart and I went to Target, and I only got one beauty item from Target, so I'm going to show you that first, but it is so awesome. I can't wait to try it, so I gotta show you. Well, I bought a couple things from Target, but only one is beauty related. I got these little, you know how they have a dollar section, usually a little clearance dollar section. I bought these little planters. One's a daisy and one's a sunflower, so that when the girls come next time they can kind of water their own little flower and be responsible for it, and I'll let them choose which one each one of them wants. I should have gotten two of each just in case they both want the daisy or they both want the sunflower, but they're gonna have to pick and choose and not fight about it. So yeah, I think that'll be really fun because they're like me, they like gardening, and I thought this would be a really fun way to teach them responsibility, that they have to keep it watered or it'll die. So that's one of the things, or two of the things that I bought, besides other things. I don't remember what else I bought, but I've already started using whatever it is, but it wasn't beauty related. So anyway, the beauty related item that I got is by e.l.f. Studio. And it's this. Let me see if there's an actual name. It's called Mascara and Shadow Shield. So this is awesome. I don't know if y'all saw one of my beauty videos where I put tape right here so that you don't get eyeshadow that falls onto your cheekbone after you've already done all the work of applying the foundation and the concealer and setting it and all. Well, that's one way of protecting it, but you still sometimes get stuff down here, so this is supposed to avoid it. So I can't wait to try it. Let me see if I can, and it's, oh, I hadn't even felt it yet. Awesome. So yeah, it shows you here how to use it. So you can put it on this side like this, and so when you're doing your eyeshadow, if anything falls on it, it's gonna fall on that and not on your already perfect skin that you did with your foundation. And so yeah, let me see, how does that look? I haven't even looked at it in the mirror. Oh wow, and look at that. So it's like a 2-in-1, just like it says. So when you do your eyeshadow, it's not gonna fall on here, and also putting it right there, it's gonna give you that nice clean line for your eyeshadow. Awesome! Brilliant invention. I love it, and it's very rubbery. So yeah, this was probably, oh wait, I've got the receipt right here. I think it was like $3, but let me make sure. $3, yeah. $3, it just says cosmetic, so that must be the thing that was $3. And then, yeah, I bought something. Oh, cough drops, and what else did I buy? Oh, nail polish remover was $1.97. And the cough drops $1.84, and this was $3. So I can't wait to use it now that I've shown it to y'all. I've had it for about a week, but now that I've shown it to y'all, and it comes in its own little plastic case, so you can keep the case and keep it well protected after you wash it. After every use, just go ahead and put it right on back in, and it's ready for your next use. I'm probably going to keep it in my little brush holder there, though. Okay, so that was my Target little buy, and now my Walmart. What did I buy? Oh, I can't wait to try this. It's a new Bold Metals collection by Real Techniques. I don't have any Real Technique brushes, but I just hear that they are so good, that they're like a dupe for high-end brushes, so I can't wait to try this. And I don't have a high-end or inexpensive contour brush, so I bought this one. I hope it'll focus. But it's so pretty. It's like in a rose gold. They have a couple of eyeshadow, I think 3 eyeshadow brushes in the Bold Metal collections, but those are silver. And they have a foundation one and one other one that is gold, but there's only a couple that are in the rose gold. I wanted silver because I love silver. But yeah, I'm gonna eventually get all the brushes. This was $25, I believe. This was probably the most expensive brush there, because the other ones, like the foundation one, was like $23. But it was so cool, the foundation one, I just might get it. But I don't know, I might not, because I really like my beauty blender, and I'm really happy with just applying my foundation with my beauty blender. But it's so cool. The foundation one comes to a point like this, but then it comes to a point kind of towards the front too, so you can get it into little areas. But then on the back, it's flat, so you can brush on the foundation and then flip it over. And because it has kind of like a, I don't know, like a 3 triangle little thing there, it'll go like around the inner corner area really well. So yeah, that might be a good investment. That was like $23, so I can't wait to try it. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I might fast forward the part where I'm opening up the thing, but I've already opened it up and touched the fibers on the brush, and I love it. I haven't quite figured out how to get the brush out yet, so. Why won't it come out? Ah! Okay, that's one for the bloopers. It just came flying out. Okay, and what's really cool about it is that it's so pretty, and it's got like a heavy little metal handle. So awesome. And it's soft, but yet it's dense. So I can't wait to use it. I wanted to use it so bad today, but I thought, no, I have to show it to my glam fam first. But so beautiful. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, I had a heck of a time getting it out of here. Boy. Oh, because it was taped. That's why. It's making my life difficult. Okay, I don't remember what else I got, because this was the thing I was the most excited about. So, okay, kitty cat, you have to get off. She loves bags. I don't know why she loves bags so much. Oh, that's right. The other thing that I got is some new mascara that I've never tried before. I'm in search of the holy grail mascara, something that's gonna thicken and lengthen my eyelashes. So it's Maybelline Plump Up Colossal. And it's supposed to up to 12 time volume, it says. We'll see. So yeah, this is what the brush is supposed to look like. I don't know if it's focusing. But anyway, so I got that, so I'm excited to try that. And I had to buy some more gel liner stuff because I left mine open one day when I was in a hurry and it dried out. So I think I might like this one better anyway. It's by Maybelline. Yeah, it's called Maybelline Color Tattoo 24-Hour Leather something. I can't see it. Darn it. I don't have my contacts on. So I got that, and that was pretty much it. So yeah. That's all I've got. I didn't get a whole lot in this little shopping trip. We went and did some other stuff for Adam and bought some stuff for him, and we were looking for a bike basket for my new bike that I bought. I have a pretty pink bike. It's so cute, and it was only $99, but it was cute, and it looks vintage, and I love it because it looks vintage, because I'm vintage. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tiny haul, and maybe next time that I use my new contour brush, I'll turn the camera on, because the camera's always right there and my mirror's right there, so it's always there set up, so I never have to set everything up fresh. So maybe I'll just turn it on and get myself using the contour brush for the first time. And when I get the other Real Techniques, what is it called? Bold Metal collection. It's a new collection. Last time I was at Walmart about a week ago, it wasn't there. No, about a week and a half ago, it wasn't there. And then when I went last week, I'm like, what? There's new stuff. I need it all. But of course, I can't have it all at once. So I spent a little bit, and then I can't just get a bunch, because it would have been like $100 to get all the brushes, and I can't afford that. So just as I can, I'll add to my little Bold Metal collection of Real Technique brushes. Alright guys, I love you so much. Thank you for tuning in, and let me know down below if there's anything that you would like me to film, or anything that you would like me to try for you before you go out and purchase it. Maybe I can go purchase it and try it out for you. Alright guys, I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. And yeah, aren't they entertaining? I never know what they're doing behind me or next to me until I go to edit this, and then I'm like, what? Why are y'all being so silly? This cat, look at how she is. Okay, what are you gonna do to me, Paris? What are you gonna do to me? And she loves bags. And Paris is always messing with her, but I'm glad they get along. They're just playing. They're not being mean. They're just playing with each other. What, pretty girl? You're so pretty. You want to say hi? Hi, this is Pelly. This is Paris. All right, and this is Jules. Jules just got jealous. This is Jules. She's 16. Poor baby. Yeah. This is, yeah, 16 to 18 probably as long as I'll have her. So, yeah, I've had her since she was 5 weeks old. She's grown old with me. Alrighty, see how they act? Alrighty, guys, I love you. Bye.